You got her sheets, okay?
This is done. So when we vote, we put up our hand, use the cards.
So where are you from? St. John's, Newfoundland?
From across the country, 1,500 delegates are registering for convention.
Local 7-0 and Aboriginal Child Welfare and Mental Health Agency in Thunder Bay with 500 members.
Can I please have you sign for your ballots?
I'm from Newfoundland. I work in the offshore.
The day before, registration lines are busy as members load up on their necessities for the week.
What's in the bags?
It's information that you need for conventions.
We just want to learn.
So your agenda, what's going to happen.
Okay.
I think a lot of young people right now are really excited.
Well, I said change the world.
For some that arrived earlier in the day, there is still room for a little fun.
Just a little shopping earlier today, of course.
For this convention, there's one thing everyone's talking about.
We want to support the new union project. We want it to go through.
It's time for unions to show solidarity.
To be truly honest, in this one I'm learning more about the merger than anything. That's the hot topic on everyone's mind, and I got to bring it back to my local because I'm a VP on my local, and I have to let them know about the merger and how it takes place and how everyone is affected, from Quebec to BC to Ontario.
It's Andrew Labby's second national convention, but he admits at first
The convention itself was very overwhelming, the first one I ever went to. This one, it's not so overwhelming. It's, you know where to go, what to do, what not to do.
Then the alternate then can become the full delegate and have
that
voting
overwhelming
voting
feeling is unavoidable for new delegates, and that's why they have this orientation session to help new delegates participate in convention.
I think it was just finding out how CEP conventions are different from other conventions.
For months, organizers have been preparing for this historic week. All that's left now is making sure this room is ready to welcome its 1,500 participants.
Well, I'm looking forward to the debate, and I thought I could offer a unique perspective, having been a member of both unions and had been involved in both unions over the last few years, the CEP most recently, and then the auto workers for about 6 years in Windsor. So,
Any thoughts on it?
I'm excited for it.